Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a brand new video. Now what I've got for you guys in today's video is a really cool box from EMM Mega Mart, and I have a really good products for my skincare regime. Now we all know that skincare is really very important and you should never miss on your skincare. Now times are really tough, and de-stressing yourself by taking care of your skin and having a good regime for your skincare is really important. So I'll quickly show you all what this box contains. This is how the box looks like, really nice. And now I'll quickly show you all what products I have in this box. So once I open this box, this is how the box looks like. It comes with these cards like so, which has description of each and every product in here, how you can use it, the benefits, the ingredients and everything in detail. And when you look up closer in this box, you will see all of these products. Packaging is really nice. As you can see, it has a lot of colorful beads in here. Gifting yourself such a cool skincare hamper is a treat in itself. Now I'll quickly show you all what all products I have in here. The first one is this one, which is called Ethiglow face wash. I have tried this product in the past. My dermat recommended it and I've used this for good 6 to 8 months. I really love this product. Next up is this super delicious chocolate face scrub. You will be seeing the application and everything in detail about this product as we proceed with this video, but quickly I'm just showing you all what all I have in this box, so you will have an idea what I'll be putting on my face and how my skincare routine would look like. So the next one is this Hyalo gel. This is basically a hyaluronic acid gel. Really love hyaluronic acid personally and can't wait to try that one. And the next one, the fourth product, is a really nice, one of the most important product in skincare is a sunscreen. Now this is the Z Block 50 Plus sunscreen. Cannot do without my sunscreens. And the last one, we have something for the lips, and it is the Lips Lip Moisturizer. It also has an SPF of 50, and with this I have emptied my box. Now let's quickly start with the video. I will show you all the application. We'll talk about the ingredients and everything in detail about these products. So yeah, let's begin. Starting with the first product, this is how the first product, which is the face wash, looks like. This is how the packaging looks like up close. Really love it. Now it says skin whitening deep cleansing facial foam. I personally don't believe in skin whitening and lightening products, to be honest. I've used this product in the past and I really loved it. Keeping that lightening and whitening part aside, this product is really nice. I'll quickly show you all the texture. This is also paraben free, and this is how it looks like. It lathers up really well. It is a very moisturizing face wash. Also has tiny bit of granules in it, so your face will be cleaned really well. You can use it twice a day. So this face wash basically deep cleans your face and also helps you to get rid of blemishes and gives you an even skin tone. After you wash your face with this face wash, you would definitely see that your face is really clean and also very moisturized, because it is a foaming face wash, so it gives you a nice moisturization as well. Moving on to the second product is this face scrub. Now this is called Chocolate Face Scrub. This is how the packaging looks like up close for you all. It says caution, it's not edible, and trust me guys, this smells so amazing, exactly like chocolate. You would definitely feel like eating the scrub. It is so delicious, smells so amazing. Now this will help you to brighten and polish your skin. It will help you to get rid of all the dirt from your face and also the excess oil production that we have, especially on the T-zone. It will also help you to reduce the sebum formation, which leads to acne. Let me quickly show you all the texture of this product on the back of my hand. So this is how chocolatey and yummy it looks, and it has a very finely milled granule, so it is not harsh on the skin, but at the same time it exfoliates your skin so well and leaves your skin dirt free. So this scrub can be used on your whole body, and I think that's the best part. It smells so delicious and you will have your own relaxing and de-stressing experience using this scrub. Next product is this hyaluronic acid gel. This is how the packaging looks like up close for you all. Really nice, very tiny and super handy. Now I personally love using hyaluronic acid in my skincare routine. It gives you a nice boost of instant hydration, and it is really good to get that glowing and flawless and very hydrated skin. Now talking about the texture of this product, this is how it looks. It is very runny because it is a gel. It is very runny and it absorbs into your skin really well. The texture of this product is really nice. It is non-sticky and non-oily and absorbs into your skin really nice, giving you that nice glowing and hydrated skin. Now moving on to the second last product, which is the most important product in a skincare regime, and a lot of of people tend to forget using it. I'm talking about a sunblock. The one that I have in here is a Z block, has an SPF of 50 plus. This is how the packaging looks like. It is a 50 ml packaging, really nice, again very handy. Now sunscreen is really important to protect your skin from the harsh UV rays. This sunscreen is water resistant, paraben free. It also has zinc oxide in it. It is a gel sunscreen, so it's very light on the weight, and it also has SPF of 50. Quickly showing you all the texture of this sunscreen. This is how it looks like. The texture of this sunscreen is really nice. It absorbs also really quickly. Now once you start massaging the sunscreen into your skin, it will start absorbing really well. It doesn't leave a white cast at all, like you can see. I personally love such gel based sunscreen because it absorbs really quickly without leaving any white cast, and yet you are protected from harsh UV rays of the sun. Now let me quickly tell you all that sunscreen is really important for your skin 365 days of the year. Whether you are indoors or outdoors, you need to apply sunscreen. So never ever forget your sunscreen. If you're indoors also, we have so much of light inside, so you need to protect your skin from that as well. I personally use sunscreen whether I'm indoors or outdoors, so I would highly request you all to start using it even if you're indoors, because a lot of people tend to forget that. Moving on to the last product, and also one of the most important product, is lip balm. And the one that I have in here is this one, which is called Lips Lip Moisturizer. This is how it looks like. Really cute and tiny packaging. Now this one is again paraben free and chemical free. It also is color free and fragrance free. I'll quickly show you all the texture of this product. This is how it looks. It is a color free product. This lip balm will not give you a waxy feeling, rather it will help you to moisturize your lips really well. And also the best part is that it comes with an SPF of 15, so your lips are also protected from sun. Also, if you're facing very chapped and cracked lips or very dry lips, you should definitely check out this product because it is really very moisturizing. So that's pretty much it about this video. I hope you enjoyed watching my quick skincare regime, and if you would like to try these products, I would be providing link to all the products in the description box down below, so do have a look. And with that, I would like to end this video. If you really like this video, you know what to do. You have to like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I shall see you all really soon with my next video. Till then, take care guys. Thanks for watching.